Hi everyone, my name is Ankita. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am so excited to share with you 4 DIY natural face mask recipes that you can make right from your home. These natural home remedies have been passed down from my family, from my mom, from her mom, and so on and so forth. These remedies are really popular in India and I'm so blessed to have grown up with how to take care of my skin from an early age. So I wanted to share with you guys how to make this. So I've been using this a lot, especially the past few months. I've just tried to make a more active effort to incorporate skincare into my schedule and make time for my skin. I have 4 remedies today. I have a couple others, but I'll make a separate video with them. I probably use these a few times a week, alternating between them. I noticed probably about 6 months ago that my skin was becoming very irritated. I was getting some redness, so a few breakouts that I just didn't know how to get rid of. And I never really had that in the past, so I didn't know what I should be doing. And I started using these remedies again and my skin cleared up so fast. These face masks have helped my skin so much. So I want to share these tips with you all. Just a disclaimer, I would test out all of these skincare remedies on your arm before you put it on your face, just to make sure you're not overly sensitive or allergic to any of these ingredients. So this first one is so simple. It requires 3 ingredients: turmeric, which is also known as haldi in Hindi, cinnamon, and yogurt. But not just any yogurt. You don't want flavored yogurt. You want the natural, non-flavored yogurt. This face mask is best left on between 7 to 10 minutes. So for this one, you're going to take 1 to 2 spoons of natural yogurt, a teaspoon of haldi, and a teaspoon of cinnamon, and mix these ingredients together. If the color is more orange, you might have to add another spoon of yogurt. That means you probably have too much turmeric. If you have too much turmeric, it could stain your face, so you want to be light-handed with the turmeric. The turmeric in this face mask is known for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. If you feel like you're having one of those days where your skin is puffy or you have some redness, inflammation after a breakout, this face mask will calm it right away. This face mask also smells so good. The cinnamon is very purifying and it heals any breakouts that you do have. The yogurt that I'm using is homemade yogurt, but you can also buy it from the store. You just want to make sure it's the natural, non-flavored yogurt. The yogurt nourishes your skin, it gives its smoothness, it's going to leave your skin feeling very soft, and it overall balances your skin. It's like a toner. I usually leave this on between 7 to 10 minutes. Any longer and you could risk tinting your face slightly bit yellow, so you want to experiment with this, but 7 to 10 minutes is the perfect amount. This face mask is perfect if you're feeling like you have dull skin and you want to brighten and add a glow. This face mask does a job. The amount I've made can last you a couple of days, so you can store it in the fridge. It leaves the skin so soft and so healthy. Now the way you want to take this off is with warm water. As you take it off, you want to massage your skin. This is going to get your lymphatics flowing, and also the cinnamon is going to exfoliate your skin. Anyway, you want to do this while you're washing it off. So I'll be right back. You always want to pat your skin dry, never rub. Okay, I feel like my skin looks glowing right now. On to face mask number 2. This mask is so easy. This one requires 2 ingredients: cinnamon and honey. This is more of a spot treatment than a face mask, but you can put it all over your face as a face mask. There's no harm done. This is great if you have an active breakout, even acne scars. Cinnamon is so great for your skin. It helps with healing. It supports bringing blood flow to your skin, and it's also an antioxidant. Antioxidants are super important because they detoxify your skin of hydrogen peroxide and free radicals that can really damage your skin. So this requires 2 ingredients: honey and cinnamon. So I just add a few drops of honey and about a teaspoon of cinnamon. Give it a stir and you're good to go. So I have a little red breakout here and here, so I'm just going to take it with my finger and go over it. You can leave that on for at least 10 minutes. And no harm done if you leave it on for longer. The honey leaves your skin super soft. It's great because it speeds up cell healing and it balances the bacteria on your skin. Obviously, we have good bacteria and bad bacteria all over our body. So as in a breakout or an active breakout, you want to get rid of the bad bacteria and leave the good bacteria, and this will help balance that. Sometimes using cleansers, face masks with too many chemicals can be very harsh on your skin, but they also get rid of good bacteria, which just leaves your skin super dry and unbalanced. This is why I lean towards these natural face masks, because they have so much better healing properties. Now, as you take this off, once again, you're going to run your finger in a circle around it, and this is going to exfoliate the area, but just gently move it in a circle, and the cinnamon will help exfoliate as the honey will keep it leaving soft. You want to do this while you're rinsing it off with water. So I'll be right back. So I personally feel like this got a tiny bit smaller, but you know, it depends on how irritated or how aggravated your pimple is. Obviously, this might not work only in one try. This is something you might have to wear for 3 days before your pimple starts disappearing. But it will soothe it, it will calm any inflammation, it's going to calm down if it looks very irritated and aggravated. I already feel like this got a little calmed down. On to face mask number 3. This face mask also requires 3 simple ingredients. I used glycerine, rose water, and lime juice. So this is how much I made. This can also last me a couple days. So you're going to take a spoon of rose water, a spoon of glycerine, and squeeze 1/4 to 1/2 of a lime. This is also really great if your skin is feeling dull, if you have some acne and you really just want to detox your skin. This is also really good for hyperpigmentation. So you can leave this for 10 to 15 minutes. You can also leave this overnight. My mom actually recommends me leaving it overnight, but sometimes I don't like the way it feels for it overnight, so I just wash it off after 10-15 minutes. I just put this over my lips as well. The glycerin is very nourishing, keeps your skin really soft, and it's a really great base. Used in a lot of skincare products as well. The lime is acidic, so it's going to be the acid that gets into your breakouts and helps purify your skin. It also contains a lot of vitamin C, which is going to keep your skin healthy and help new cells grow. The rose water is a natural toner for your skin, so this is once again going to replenish the normal pH of your skin, tones it, leaves it fresh, and this face mask is just overall really good. It also tastes really good. Anyway, I'm gonna go wash this off. Once again, you just want to pat your skin dry. I would say, especially after this face mask, I would apply a little bit of facial oil just so your skin feels super calm, and if you feel a little bit of a tingling from the lime, the oil will calm it down immediately. This is something you can do every night or every morning. The sun is setting down, so hopefully there's not too many shadows on my face. Last but not least is face mask number 4. This is one of my favorite face masks. I'm not gonna lie, it does take a little bit of preparation and effort to make it. It's not as simple as the other ones, but still the effort goes such a long way and it's totally doable. There are 4 essential ingredients in this face mask. I used rice, aloe vera, e-oil, and glycerin. So you're going to start by prepping. Take 1/3 cup of rice and pour it into a bowl. Then you're going to fill the bowl with water and soak the rice overnight or for a few hours. The next morning, I strained the rice and poured the rest of the water into a mason jar and left it aside. I then poured the soaked rice into a blender. A NutriBullet would work very well for this, and grinded up the rice. If you notice that you're having a hard time grinding up the rice, you can add a little bit of that leftover rice water into the mixture. On medium heat, pour the blended rice into a pan. You want to stir it and continue stirring it until it thickens and becomes a pasty consistency. This will take you about 7 minutes to do. So once you have the right consistency, I'm going to place it into a jar. So now I'm slicing up a 2-inch piece of aloe vera, and I'm going to remove the gel inside and place it into the mixture. I took about 4 capsules of e-oil and cut them up and put it into our mixture. For the last step, I'm taking a teaspoon of glycerin and mixing it into the face mask. You can store the face mask in the fridge until you're ready to use it. And as for the rice water, I'm going to store it in the fridge until I want to use it in my hair. This is best when applied cold. This is one of my favorite skincare recipes. It's literally so good for your skin. I'm going to tell you why. So the rice actually increases collagen production. It's going to improve skin damage from the sun, and it's also an antioxidant. It's going to hydrate and detox your skin. Aloe vera is so good for your skin. If you have any redness, any inflammation, aloe vera will calm that right down. If you have sunburn, glycerin, like I mentioned before, is a great base. It's going to leave your skin feeling really soft and smooth, and it hydrates your skin. The vitamin E oil is going to give your skin back its natural oils. Vitamin E also helps heal and protect that skin barrier. LOL, I look a little crazy, but that's okay. You can leave this face mask on for also 10 to 15 minutes. Sometimes I leave it on for 20 until it's dry. The purpose of this face mask is maybe after the sun. It's great for anti-aging, it prevents wrinkles, makes your skin feel soft and smooth, and also gives a glow. Guys, my skin looks so glowy right now. Like, it just looks very clean, very fresh. This is what I needed. And honestly, this is what I needed. I've been in the sun quite a lot the past few days. This really just helped replenish my skin. You always want to end your skincare routine with a little bit of facial oil. I am using this organic argan oil from Trader Joe's. Rub it into your hands and just pat it. You don't want to rub your skin, just gently pat. So as a med student, I really enjoy learning how different ingredients really affect your skin. I was very intrigued. I always knew that these ingredients were good for your skin, but I wanted to learn why. So I was trying to read some science papers on them. I'll link it in the description. There was an article that I read and it talked about antioxidants and how when you're in UV rays and you get tan, you produce more melanin to protect you from these harmful UV rays. But as a byproduct of making more melanin, you get free radicals and H2O2, which is hydrogen peroxide, on your skin, which is why it's so important to use ingredients that are antioxidants, such as the rice and the cinnamon, which is going to get rid of these harmful substances on our skin. Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. I really enjoy skincare, and above all, I enjoy natural skincare and natural beauty products. So I had a lot of fun sharing my tips. If you guys want more of these types of videos, let me know. But if you enjoyed this, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye!